How's it going, everybody? Thank you for joining me today on today's workshop. We're going to talk Brandmotion wireless cameras and all the accessories that go with them. So let's just get into it. Let's see what comes in the box with your Brandmotion wireless system. As always, the paperwork, instruction manual, and links for your instructions for install. First off, we have our 7-inch monitor. The monitor itself is a pedestal mount, either with a suction cup or a 3M sticker for the dash. Of course, you have all of your wireless antennas to make sure everything can communicate with itself. We've got our wireless camera itself with built-in microphone and night vision. We've got our 12-volt adapter for just plugging it straight into the adapter there on the dash. And then, of course, we have some factory pieces, our Furrion and Voyager wiring cables, as well as our 12-volt direct wire cables for our camera and monitor. And, of course, a few mounting brackets that allow us to factory install this on just about any RV on the market today, whether it's a backup camera, a side view camera, or an entrance camera. Brandmotion has a bracket that mounts on those little black pucks that are found on all those brand new RVs. So now that we know it comes in the 7810 V2 base kit monitor and camera, now we have the option to add up to 3 more cameras to the system. We have our normal backup camera that can be mounted front or rear, and of course our side view cameras. We're going to start there with the side views. So inside the side view container, again, we have our instructions online. We have some foam sticky tape for sealing and making sure that we can have that OEM seal and not let water in. But then we have these beautifully designed side view cameras. All stainless hardware in the box. What's really great about these is that they're a direct replacement for the OE style marker lights found on many of the RVs and box trucks on the market. So what we see here is just a straight 12-volt input for our marker lights. And then again, our 12-volt power and ground for our side camera. The antenna is built into the back of these, so you don't have a whip hanging out. They are fully weather packed. They are adjustable, so you can dial your view in perfectly. And then, of course, you have a right and a left. Now, these can be mounted up or down or even sideways, depending if you need a different view. So Brandmotion has great options here with our cameras. Just like the other camera that we showed in the kit, that's also available separately. Comes with all the same pieces to mount on Furrion and Voyager mounts. And a fully featured system here will get you viewing all the sides of your trailer, no matter of the blind spots. So we've seen all the parts. How does it work? Well, all of the cameras offered by Brandmotion in their wireless category are auto pairing, meaning all you have to do is connect power to the system, power and ground, and it will automatically connect to the cameras. If you've got multiple camera angles, you can also look in changing all of those. So they give you all your different camera views, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then they also give you mixed views. So I know we're seeing a blue screen here. I only have one camera on the display today, but you get to pick from multiple angles and multiple viewpoints to get your vehicle covered. Whether you're backing into a campground, you're parking at the street level, you want to see how far you are away from the curb, maybe you want to see what's in front of your vehicle pulling up to something. It all depends on your camera placement. On top of all that, all the cameras have microphones built into them, meaning if someone's yelling at you to stop, you can hear them through a built-in speaker on the monitor. Now, this is volume adjustable inside the settings menu, so you can dial that in or take it out if it's making noise and you don't want to hear it. On top of all that, there is a DVR built in. So it will record all 4 channels of these. They are full HD cameras, meaning they're crystal clear, very low latency. We see a lot of the competition where they jump and jive and they don't really give you a live image. This feels very natural, like a wired camera, and allows you to comfortably view and see what's going on around you in those uncomfortable positions. On top of all the product that they also offer these beautiful displays. These are very interactive. They are tabletop mounted. They come with a power supply, and they are offered for all of their major products, not only their wireless camera. These draw customers over and are really a self-learning moment where they get to see and learn from the display what Brandmotion has to offer. These do drive sales and are offered to you at a discount when you buy Brandmotion through Dick's Performance. A lot of people wonder what the ideal use here. Well, this is for your RV warriors, the weekend warriors that may not be driving their RV around all over Hell's Half Acre every day of the week. We all become complacent when we're on vacation, and what better way to see around your vehicle and have a warm and fuzzy feeling when you get into that campground and park the first night, the first try, without yelling at each other. This system saves marriages and, of course, saves your RV from getting any damage when backing into stalls. And there you have it, guys. All the stuff that comes with all these wireless cameras and all the options you can outfit them with. And of course, if you need more information on the cameras, brandmotion.com. And as always, if you want to become a dealer today and get started in the ADAS world, dicksperformancenorth.com.